Hey, English learners. Today we're gonna break the ice, and literally and figuratively. So, what does it mean to break the ice? It's all about making people feel comfortable in a new or awkward situation. Think of it like warming things up when things feel a little cold. For example, if you're at a party where no one knows each other, telling a funny story or introducing yourself can help break the ice and get everyone talking. This idiom is super useful when you're meeting new people or starting conversations. It's all about getting past that first awkward moment. Coworker 1, I'm so nervous about presenting today. Coworker 2, don't worry, I'll crack a joke to break the ice. It'll be fine.
Time to break the ice.
It breaks the ice.
I'll break the ice.
Easy. Break the ice with games.
The next time you're in an awkward or quiet situation, just remember, you can always break the ice with a smile, a question, or even a joke. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other idioms in the playlist. We've got tons of fun and useful expressions to help you sound more natural in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lessons. See you next time!